I highlight stocks that have great potential but not many people are talking about. Each video is under 3 minutes. Please subscribe and you won't miss follow-up on this stock and other market opportunities. Cannabis stocks have been a disappointing position for a couple of years. However, it has completely changed the case lately. I introduced Canopy growth stock, ticker CGC, on October 8, 2020, when the price was $17.63, and it closed at last Friday at $29, with a 65% return in less than 2 months. Please hit the like button if you need me to follow up on cannabis stocks. With 150 likes, I will make sure to update you my latest strategies on the stocks we will go over today. So what triggered the rally of cannabis stocks? The answer is the expectation of the legalization usage of the cannabis for both medical and recreation purpose. Cannabis use was legal for most of human history until the early 20th century. Between 1916 and 1931, 29 U.S. states banned the use of it. The Marijuana Tax Act of 1937 essentially made cannabis illegal across the U.S. But the tide is turning. Firstly, the House Majority Leader Steny Hoyer announced last Friday that a bill to federally legalize marijuana will receive a full floor vote in the U.S. House of Representatives next week. Secondly, on the state level, 13 states have legalized cannabis usage for both medical and recreation purpose, with more states following the steps. Specifically, in last week, the New Jersey State Senate voted 29-4 on a bill on November 16, which will decriminalize possession of up to 6 ounces of marijuana, as well as lower the penalties for other related offenses. The upcoming vote on the federal level aims to reverse the current cannabis policy gap that exists between states and the federal government and encourage states to regulate cannabis more stringently based on their own situation. The strong bipartisan support to reform the failed cannabis prohibition will soon make almost 99% of Americans live in states with some form of legal cannabis. This policy change will give cannabis industry a whole new chapter to grow. For short-term speculation, stocks such as Aurora Cannabis, Tilray, Hexo, Aphria, OrganiGram and Canopy Growth are all good choices to get in. For the long-term investment, if you do want to enjoy the growth of the industry, I would go with bigger companies such as Canopy Growth. Please like and subscribe to help this video reach more smart investors like you. No one can make better decision for you than yourself, and this is not an investment recommendation.